So the total compensation is 105,137. 105,137, tama ba? 105,137, correct. And yung basic pay, ayan again, less nyo yung mga absences and undertime niya, ayan, 65,052. Yan yung ating basic pay. Yan yung ilalagay natin dito, 65,052. 65,052. Ayan. So, proceed na tayo. Holiday OT pay. So, kung i-add natin itong dalawa, holiday and the OT pay. So, that is 29,885. 29,885. So, 13th month. So, wala pa tayong 13th month. So, de minimis benefits. So, de minimis natin is 10,200. 10,200 and hopefully tama yung ating figures. Ayan. So kita niyo dito, total non-taxable compensation is 105,137. So yung equal lang siya dun sa total amount of compensation. So i-less yung total non-taxable. Non-taxable kasi lahat yan because we are MWEs or minimum wage earners. So yung lalabas na figure dito, total taxable compensation is 0.